Hi CoinEx friends, ready to start copy trading like a pro? Follow our guide in this video. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the CoinEx official website, log into your CoinEx account, and click on Futures, Copy Trading. Step 2. On the copy trading homepage, you can either search for lead traders by their name or browse through the available traders. Click Copy to start their copy trading. Step 3. Choose your investment amount, margin, and leverage. Set take profit and stop loss for automated position closures. Step 4. After configuring the settings and accepting the term, tap Copy to confirm and initiate your successful copy trading. After completing copy trading on CoinEx, you can manage your investments efficiently. Access View My Copy Trades to monitor your performance, Current Copy Trades to adjust copy settings, and End Copy Trades to close current positions.